Hey everyone. This is Ebike Updates, and in this video we are looking at minimalistic electric bikes with belt drive system. I hope you like the video and find it informative. Let's jump into it. Almost all types of e-bikes are a bit bulky and heavy, and that's why they are easily distinguishable from the traditional bikes. In this video, we will see stealthy and minimalistic e-bikes that look exactly as normal bikes. Amplicurt is a fast-moving and bold city charger that's stripped of all excess, only keeping that which is key to a fierce ride. The stiff frame, full carbon fork, and straight handlebars give Curt an athletic look and keep the weight low. The single-speed e-bike with belt drive weighs only 13.5 kilograms and the 10-speed version weighs 14.3 kilograms. The Amplicurt offers you the agility you need in everyday life. Riding it feels firm and highly responsive, just like with a racing bike. German startup Frageist believes that the electric bike should look and feel more like the classic pedal bike. Its new classic pedelec is virtually indistinguishable as an electric thanks to cleanly integrated hardware. You won't notice the electric drive until it kicks in. Components have clearly been selected to further the bike's urban e-bike in disguise character. Those include a Brooks brown leather saddle and handlebars, Shimano shifters and brakes, and Continental tires. Milano is a sporty bike with a carbon fork, a straight handlebar and a geometry that makes it highly responsive. With its 14.4 kilograms, you can take it anywhere. The ride feels firm with a slight forward-leaning position. You will ride fast through any street or path in the city. Minimalistic design with hidden battery and cables give it a sharp look. The Porteur is wide, swept back bars are designed to place the rider in a comfortable, upright position that's easy on the back and provides great visibility of cars and other cyclists around you. No grease, premium components, and clever accessories give it a special look. Steam bent bamboo fenders, a Gates belt drive, and smooth shifting Shimano Alpine 8 drivetrain make this one of the finest electric bike. Unlike other e-bikes with bulky and ugly batteries attached to the frame, the Babymaker stays completely hidden in the down tube. It has option of either bullhorn bars, also called uppers, which allow for a more laid-back casual ride, or drop bars, which create a more forward riding style with better aerodynamics and an aggressive street cyclist ride. To keep with the sleek and sexy look, all the cables for the brakes and electrical components are securely tucked into the frame. Ultra-efficient road bike with Gates belt drive group set and internal gear 3-speed built into rear hub for the ultimate smoothness and efficiency. Add a torque-sensing mid-drive motor and a completely stealth-built battery to the mix, and you have probably the cleanest production e-bike ever made. The Fixed is our hipster electric bike that is so stealth, it will really be hard for anyone to tell you are riding an e-bike. Nua Bikes is a Barcelona-based bicycle manufacturer that is known for some very eye-catching and high-end titanium electric bicycles. As seems to be the trend with bicycle manufacturers these days, Nua has announced their first electric bicycle model, the Nua Electrica. It combines a minimalist and lightweight design with top-shelf components. The Miller electric bike is set to redefine your commute with a sleek mid-motor belt drive that can be mistaken for an everyday push bike, if it weren't for its head-turning beauty and awesome riding experience. Named after the most famous greyhound of all time, Miller is equally quick from the gates. This is largely thanks to the heart of the electric bike, the high-quality torque-sensing Bafang motor that has 26% more torque than the Bosch Performance Line CX mid-drive and is 17% lighter. Please like and subscribe for more videos on electric bikes. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.